Okay, so this is like my third time trying to record this and I keep fucking it up. So anyways, this is the finale of all these videos of can this wig be repaired? And honestly, I'm going to say no. I'm going to say no and yes, but no. But yes. Okay, so let me get into this real fast. So the top is still feeling funny. Right here still feeling funny. I don't know what to do about this. I've tried everything. The bundles feel fine. The bundles feel fine. This feels fine. This side, I guess, feels fine. It's still tangly feeling in the top. So, reasons why I say no, because if you're one of those lazy half-ass people who don't spray their wigs and conditioner every day, this is not going to work for you. But it's possible. I mean, you can wear this. I feel like this is still wearable. And you will just have to make sure that you detangle this. You're going to have to spray it down and detangle this section, mainly this, the top part, every day. So let me go through all the products that I've used. I've used Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum. I've used the 2-step protein. I don't know how to say this. I'm not even going to try to pronounce it. But this is the balanced moisturizer that you use after the actual 2-step protein treatment. I used this. I've used the Schwarzkopf Gliss. Oh, I thought it said glass. It's Gliss. Oops. Gliss hair repair with liquid keratin ultra moisturizing express repair conditioning. I used this. I used silicone mixed. There we go. Come on. This is the bamboo one. I've used the Garnier Fructis shampoo and conditioner. And I use olive oil. And I use this Redken diamond oil. I've used also, this is, I don't know what this is. It's the OGX brand. What is this? I don't know. But it's Argan or Moroccan hair mask. Can y'all see that? I've used this too. So this is everything I use, and this bitch still feels funny. So I just think it's over time with moisturizing. I think it would help. But as of right now, I mean, I'm saying no, but yes, in the same breath. It was a little damp because I sprayed some more of that leave-in conditioner. Actually, there's a comb. I don't know, it just feels funny. And I don't like the way it feels. So I'm probably going to end up conditioning this again. Not today. I'm not going to deal with that right now. I'm just, just annoyed with it because it's like, what else do you want from me? Like, what else do you want? So, I don't know. I really don't know. This is really not trying to stay. Stay, please. But, yeah, so I really just don't know. So let me just show you the whole wig with it done. Let's see, there's a pin back here somewhere. Okay. Okay, so the ear tabs are not whipped on because I don't know if she wanted it, but okay. What you see here is literally what I sprayed. I sprayed a little too much. It's a little strong. Okay, so pay no mind to that. This is gonna end up getting rewashed. So as you can see, this is where I whipped the wefts, all the lines. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on this side, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 on that side. Obviously, this is sewn on an adjustable wig cap, hand sewn, and this is the bundles. And here, I think they're like 20. I think it's supposed to be like 22 inches. I did run out of hair, so I had to use some hair I had in my own stash, and you can't even see the difference. It actually blends pretty well. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. So let's go through the part and the light. All right. There. Did we focus? Okay. That's as good as it gets because I'm not in the mood right now because I'm kind of really annoyed with this wig and I don't know what else. I've tried everything else. I mean, I was thinking to do coconut oil, but I just think just over time it will just get better. So I'm going to show this side. I mean, it looks crazy, but this is this side that I knotted, the whole side. I did double knot it because of, I double knotted it because, if it's worn and getting washed, it's going to just come out. And I did the top over here. It's just whatever because this is still pretty full over here. But I'm not worried about this side. I'm more like the top and the front. So there we go. So y'all can see that. Okay. And one more shot of this side. But whatever. I'm done with this wig for now. But like, could she wear this and get away with it? Yes. It's just that I feel like the top, she's gonna have to make sure that, you know, when she's done that day, spray her down and take a comb and go through it. But I just don't know what else to do. And it's weird because I'm thinking about it. So the hair that has the most side is the hair that's giving me the issues. So yeah, I'm done with this wig. I'm not looking at her no more. I'm just gonna have to figure out what the fuck I'm gonna do with that part. I'm gonna try one more other thing. I mean, I might just do another protein treatment. I might do another conditioner, but at this point, that's it. It just needs protein. I mean, moisture in it, so it's whatever. But for this video, the trilogy of these 4 videos are done, so I'm gonna keep this video short and simple. Yes, can she wear this wig? I mean, can she wear this wig? Yes, but if she's not gonna take care of it, no. You know what I'm saying? So I'm going to deal with this. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this and this whole little trial thing. Like, it took me like a week to do, because it's trial and error, and you just need to take your time. And actually, you have to, you know, when it comes to knotting hair, y'all know that's not like a, you know, 2-second thing either. So anyways, thank you guys so much. I would love you guys' comments, anything, questions, anything at this point. I don't know. Suggestions if you want me to try something. Yeah, so anyways, bye now. Hope you guys have a wonderful day.